Oh, good shot. Wonderful off the back foot there from Azhar Ali. Brains a pigeon out in the deep or a seagull. Oh, I'll bet one of our cameramen picked that up. Oh, no. Where's Bill Laurie? He had a state of shock.
Wow, have a look at this. Nice piece of timing from Ali. And look at, he's got his back turned. Oh, nasty place to take it as well. And it's still raced away for 4. Got to keep your eye on the cricket board all times.
Prince 2 from 7. This isn't the usual harem-scarum 2020 game we're witnessing tonight, but it's still an entertaining and enthralling affair. Oh, just wide of short mid-wicket, in the air for a moment or two. Oh, what's happened here?
Well, that's what's happened, Charles. The ball's hit a pigeon, and the pigeon is no more.
Was that the throw from the fielder that hit the pigeon? We need to have a look at this again. Jacques Rudolph is the man who could have the pigeon's blood on his hands here. We just need to check out exactly what happened. Right, OK, let's have a look at it. I think we can reveal exactly what happened. Rudolph did the fielding. He gets the ball in the air. And with about as much accuracy as a Patriot missile, he downs the incoming pigeon.
Poor old pigeon.
The only other time I can remember having seen something like that, there was an occasion down in Australia, wasn't it, where Clive Lloyd hit one of the seagulls in one of the Australian games, and there's a famous exhibit, the Dickie Bird clock.
The Dickie Bird.
There's a famous exhibit.
Almost went for 6. Now hitting hard through the leg side again. Trouble.
Umar's down. Maybe Quiney. Oh no, it's been a feature of cricket around Australia. The Seagulls in the outfield. Bobby Quiney now squatting him off the field. Gee, that ball was hit really hard, wasn't it? No chance.
It's actually amazing how few times they hit.
It's the Seagull. It's up on his feet. This is that's him.
That's an unbelievable effort.
That's a bigger recovery since Rick McCosker in the centenary test here at the MCG.
He did a couple of leaning jammers, Gilly. You see him up on his...
That's a big jump.
He tried to do to him earlier. Oh.
Come on, son. Get yourself onto the ground.
Get their big deep breaths in them. Like we're used to seeing them bowl here at the MCG.
Brent McKay. That's been pulled out the leg side. Oh, the bird, he's back. He wants in on the action again.
Jeez, he's gone right back there. He just got to get out of that area.
Oh, he's back in the danger zone.
I think he wanted to help Bobby out there. His mate who helped him off the field. One of those.
He said he could save another couple of runs there, I reckon.